If you have £0 invested right now, this may be the most important investment video you ever watch. Most people think that investing is for only rich people, that you need thousands of pounds sitting in a bank account before you can even begin. They think it is complicated. They think you need a finance degree. They think you need to understand charts, graphs, stock prices, economic news. No, you don't. You don't need all those things. And today I want to show you how to go from £0 invested to becoming an investor. And this would happen now, not next year, not when you get a promotion or when you No, starting exactly from where you are today is what I am going to teach you. The first thing you need to understand is that investing is not how wealth starts. Wealth starts with behavior. So the first thing you have to learn is how to spend less than you earn. That is important. You cannot continue to not have control over your money, where money just comes and goes out and nothing stays behind. Before you buy a single stock or ETF or anything, you need that one simple habit. Keep a small part of what you earn, not 50%, not 20%, even if it is 1% that you can squeeze out to do it. The amount is not the key here, it is the habit. And once you learn how to keep something out of what you earn, then you can grow that something. The second step, have emergency fund somewhere. This is not I know nobody likes to hear, oh, have emergency fund, but you need it. Because if you invest your, say, £500 today, and then your washing machine breaks down tomorrow, do you know what will happen? You would uninvest that £500. You go and take it, and then you sell it. And that's why it's important that you have emergency funds somewhere. It might not be a lot, but something has to be somewhere. It's your financial cushion, your financial buffer. Once you have that emergency fund, now you can start investing. And this is where people make mistakes again. They want to start investing, they go for Amazon, they go for Tesla, they are looking for the next NVIDIA. The next company that you think will make you rich overnight may make you lose that money, because you won't be investing, you'll be gambling. It's a lot easier than picking stocks. Investing, it's a whole lot easier. Most people build fortunes by consistently investing in diversified funds, not trying to find that winning company. They buy ETFs where they are investing in hundreds of companies at the same time. When you buy a global ETF, you're buying pieces of companies or pieces of businesses all over the world. Tech company, healthcare, consumer brand, industrial businesses. All of these companies will be working for you while you sleep. And that's why I always tell beginners to focus on understanding ETFs. Don't try to pick individual stocks as a beginner. Your first investment is not the big deal. You see the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the 100th one. That's what makes the difference. But most people will obsess over the first one. Oh, when am I going to start? I don't know how to start it. No, just start. It's not the big deal. The big deal is what you do after that. Imagine you invest £200 every month for 25 years. £200 every month. At, let's say, average return of 8%. You will end up with over £180,000, despite you only contributing £60,000. That's the power of compounding. And that's why Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. Whether he actually said it or not, I don't know. But it has been credited to him. The principle remains true. Compounding is like planting a tree. Nothing happens at first. Months, years may even pass. Nothing happens. The growth is slow. But eventually when the tree starts growing and it becomes massive, you will feel the impacts. That's the same way investing works. You put your money into it consistently, like you're watering the plants. You continue to do that. You don't stop investing during bad times. You don't wait for certainty, because certainty never arrives. You just continue to invest. And then at the end of the day, you start seeing that magic of compounding. The people who build wealth, they are not the smartest people in the room. They are just the most consistent, because they keep investing when everyone else is scared. They keep investing when the market falls. They keep investing when life gets busy. They understand that wealth is built through time. So if you currently have £0 invested, let me give you a roadmap. Learn to keep a small part of whatever you earn. Build an emergency fund. Open an investment account. Start with an ETF. Invest consistently every month. Ignore the noise. Just every month you invest. That's it. No secret formula, no get-rich-quick scheme. Just simple habits repeated over and over and over and over again. Because the goal is to become wealthy for the rest of your life, not to become wealthy this year or next year. If you've watched this video and still think, yeah, but I need some handholding through this process, then check out worldquotas.club. I'll put a link in the description box where you can access one-to-one coaching, and you also get the option of joining a private community where all we talk about is how we grow our money and how we make smart financial decisions one step at a time. And if you're thinking, oh, my focus right now is to grow my income, I cannot part with even 1% of what I am currently earning, then you should see my next video, and I'll see you there.